Hi, welcome. In this lesson, we are going to look at tooltips. So let's see what tooltips looks like. When I hover around this bar, I can see a figure popping up that shows the loan value. So this is what tooltip does. Then I can come to this, click on this chart. Then on my fields, you can see tooltip right here. I can include my loan sales there. Then when I hover around this chart, you see the loan sales that wasn't there before included, this 2730. So same thing for every chart. So it keeps changing as I go across the months. But this is this is a really nice feature, but it can also be better. So we would do another report. Let me take this off. We'll do another report in another page and bring it up as a tooltip here. Let's go there. So tooltip. So this is a normal report page. So to change it, to start coming up with a tooltip, we have to first go to the page size. So change it to tooltip. Yeah. Then we'll do our page view. Let's do fit to page so that it will be big. Then we come to our page information. Then with the tooltip, we'll turn it on. So once this is on, this is activated. Let me go to the loans, for example. This is still blank. Let me hover around. You can see it's still coming up, the normal thing. Then I will click on this chart, come to this format, then go to tooltip. So report page, leave it as report page. Then page, I'll change it to tooltip, which is what I have here. Then when I come around here, you can see that it has changed. So it's showing that blank report on the other page. So we are going to put a table here, a metrics table that shows our loan sales value for our top 5 sales supervisors and their contribution to the total. So let's quickly go there. Tooltips. So bring the metrics table. This is it. So we'll show our loan sale value, loan sales, then the supervisor. Put it up here. So metrics. So we are going to show the top 5. So supervisor. Filter by top N. So top 5 by what value? By loan sales value. That's this. Place it in here. Apply the filter. So another thing we'll do again is to change this to millions. So go to our format, click on format, click on field formatting, then loan sales value. So this is not supposed to be loan, this is supposed to be loan sales value, not loan sales value year to date. So loans value, sorry, loans value. So let me take this off. Loans value, apply. So let's go. So we go to field formatting, and loan value should come up in millions. Really nice. So another thing we will do in this formatting is to change the size, the font size. So let's bring everything down to 8 so that we'll have more space. So the other thing, let me adjust this in a bit. Okay, let me leave. The other thing is to bring in percentage contribution for each supervisor, top 5. So percentage supervisor. Okay, so this is the contribution of the top 5. Then maybe I widen my table a bit just to occupy that. Okay, and this supervisor is even too long, So I can change it here to percentage SUP, supervisor. Yeah. So yeah. So I'm gradually getting there. Okay, let me just format this metrics a little bit to make it look beautiful. Let me bring this down here. So my style, I'm going to be fast about this. I come to my grid, vertical grid turned on, horizontal grid turned on. Then row padding, I make this 2. I change the color to, okay, this one. Then my colors, okay, this is grid. Column header, I make the font color white, I make the background color dark purple, this one. Okay. Then on my row, I leave the font color as is, make the background be a lighter purple. Yeah. Okay. I go to values, font color, leave it as is, and make it this, right? Then the alternate background color, I make it something lighter, something like this. Okay, I think it's fine. Then I come to the background color of the table and I just turn it off. I adjust this table just to fit. Okay, so this is it. So one thing I'm also going to include here is just some write-up. Yeah, let me bring my text box in. Adjust this text box. Bring it up here. Okay. Call this team contribution to sales. Top 5. Okay. Let me make this 8. I'll make it smaller a bit. Then, okay. Take off the background. Then I center this. Okay. And I also create another one. I move this one downwards. I just do a small write-up. So using leverage on dynamic commenting. So this text color I make white to be more visible. So now say the top 5 supervisors contributed. Okay, then I'll put in the value they contributed dynamically. So I'll click on values here. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for the percentage supervisor. Okay, this number. Oh, it can't be 100%. There is percentage to this percentage. This should return 57%. Let me see the field I used here. Okay, let's just see. Percentage supervisor. Ooh. Okay, yeah, no. Percentage top 5. Okay, top 5 by, yeah, that's what I'll use. Okay, I use percentage top 5. So this should return 50. Yeah, that is it. Okay. 57% to the total loan sales. I make this white and I make it the font size 8. Okay, adjust it upward and downwards. Just stretch it a bit. All right. So this is it. This is the tooltip. This is our tooltip. So let's come to our loans now. So once we hover around this, that data will show. So we can see. So and it changes across months. 58.7, 56.9. You can see. This is how you can leverage on tooltips to get the best out of your dashboard. So that is all. That will be all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.